Congress Chief and Shillong MP Vincent H. Pala said there is a need to use technology for addressing the concern over the issue of influx and illegal immigration. He said setting up check gates should not be a problem, but how to check, that is the problem. While citing an example of toll plaza where NHAI monitors each and every vehicle, the Shillong MP said similarly for checking, infiltration technology is needed as it is not possible to conduct physical checking. Pala said even in Parliament nowadays they are using technology for face recognition of MPs that is linked to Aadhaar on entering the Parliament.
If you use a technology, for example, like National Highway, they have check gates everywhere. But they use a technology, and then everybody either prepaid or pay by cash or whatever you do. If you use a technology, I don't think that there's a problem. Same for all these infiltrations and other things. If you check it physical like old one, before because maybe 10 trucks in a day, but today there are 10,000 trucks in a day. So maybe physically checking is not possible nowadays.